Samsung Pay is a mobile payment and digital wallet service that allows you to make secure and convenient payments using your Samsung smartphone. Here's how to use Samsung. Make sure your device supports Samsung Pay and that you've set it up with your payment cards before proceeding. Setting up Samsung Pay. Open Samsung Pay. Locate the Samsung Pay app on your device. If it's not pre-installed, you can download it from the Samsung Galaxy Store or Google Play Store. Sign in or create an account. If you don't already have a Samsung account, you'll need to create one. If you have an account, sign in. Add payment cards. 1. Tap Cards or Wallet to add your credit, debit, or other supported payment cards. 2. You can add cards by scanning them with your camera, entering the card details manually, or importing cards from your Samsung account. Verify your identity. Samsung Pay may require additional verification steps depending on your bank and country. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this process. Using Samsung Pay for payments. Access Samsung Pay. To make a payment, swipe up from the bottom of your device's screen or open the Samsung Pay app from your home screen. Select a payment card. Swipe left or right to choose the payment card you want to use. You can also tap the card to select it. Authenticate your transaction. 1. Depending on your device and security settings, you can use one of the following methods to authenticate the transaction. Fingerprint scanner. If your device has a fingerprint scanner, place your registered finger on it. PIN. Enter your Samsung Pay PIN. Iris or face recognition. If supported, use your iris or face to authenticate. Make the payment. 1. Hold your device close to the payment terminal, which must support NFC, Near Field Communication, or MST, Magnetic Secure Transmission payments. 2. Ensure that the back of your device is facing the payment terminal. 3. Wait for the payment to process. 3. You'll receive a notification confirming the transaction. Receipt and loyalty cards. If you have enabled it, Samsung Pay may also store digital versions of loyalty cards and display available offers and rewards. Security. Samsung Pay uses tokenization and fingerprint, iris, face recognition to secure your transactions. Your actual card number is not transmitted during the payment process, adding an extra layer of security. Transaction history. You can view your transaction history and manage your payment cards in the Samsung Pay app. Remember to keep your device secure and use secure lock methods like PIN, fingerprint, or facial recognition. If your device is lost or stolen, you can remotely lock or erase Samsung Pay through the Find My Mobile service. Please note that Samsung Pay's features and functionality may vary depending on your device, carrier, and location, so it's a good idea to check the specific details for your situation.